welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making a triple crochet. So now I've already made my chain stitches. I've made 30 chain stitches. So making the chain stitches, you first slip stitch and then make the 30 chains. I made a video for slip stitching and making the chains. In case you didn't watch them, I'm going to put for you the links in the description box so that you can also learn how to slip knot and making chains. So let's begin. So making a triple crochet, we are going to use our 5th chain stitch, so you count 4 chain stitches from here, which is 1 2 3 4. So this is the 5th one where we are going to start from. So making a triple crochet, you yarn over twice. Remember, in making a half double crochet or a double crochet, we yarn over once, but here we are going to yarn over twice. Here we are going to yarn over twice. So you yarn over one, and then hold here and yarn over again, so that you can have 1 2 3. Okay, then hold them properly and go into the 5th chain stitch where we are going to start from and insert your hook. So I said you count 1 2 3 4 and then the 5th one. Insert your hook in that 5th, in the upper loop only. Here we are using the upper loops here only. So insert your hook and yarn over, pull it out. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook, which is 1 2 3 4, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 and pull through the last 2. So we are making a second one. Yarn over once, and then second time you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Hold them properly. Insert your hook into the next stitch, which we are only taking the upper loop only. Yarn over, pull through to pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. You'll have 3 loops left. Yarn over into, pull through the first 2, the second 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Let's do it once more. Yarn over again. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2, the third 2. Yarn over again. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the second two and pull through the last two. Let's do it again. So let's do it once again. Yarn over again, set your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the two, pull through the second two and the other two. You can see properly. Yarn over again. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. I'm sorry power's gone, but hope you can see properly. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Set your hook in the next stitch, yarn over to pull up a loop, yarn over, inside, pull through the first 2. You'll have 3 left on the hook, yarn over and pull through the second 2. You'll have 2 left, yarn over and pull through those last one. So hope you can see this. This is our triple crochet. So continue with this in all these stitches. You yarn over 1. Remember, in this triple crochet we yarn over twice, which is 1, 2. Insert your hook in the next stitch, the upper loop, pull, yarn over to pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's do it more and more times so that you can master it properly. Yarn over and yarn over again. Insert your hook in the next chain stitch, yarn over again. Insert your hook in the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2 and the last 2. You yarn over again, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 and pull through the second 2 and pull through the last 2. So here we are inside, we are working on the last stitch. And over again, insert your hook. So this is our triple crochet. See you in my next video. Thank you.